Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to combine jitter and oblique blur effects to create shake on your videos in CapCut. So first you need to import your clips and then click on the first clip, go to speed, curve, click on custom, and now speed up the clips on the first bit into to 5 times like this, and do this for all of the clips. Okay, after this just click on the check icon and now go to the video effect, click on the nightclub category and then add the longitudinal jitter effect. Okay, this one, click on the check icon and place it in between the first and second clips, but make sure that you place the effects in between the clips and make sure the jitter and flash are positioned in the transitions of the two clips. Okay, like this. Now copy the effects and put it for the next clip. Okay, and then after that go to the video effects again, opening and closing, and now select the oblique blur effect, this one. Adjust the blur to 40 and rotate 50. Click on the check icon and put it in between the clips like this. Now copy it and put it for the second clip, for the next clips like this. And now for the last effect, you need to go to the nightclub category again and then add the shake effect. Okay, make it as short as possible and put it in between the clips. Copy it for the next two clips. Okay, and now click on the first clip, go to animation. Under the in category, select the shake to animation. Then repeat the steps for all of the clips. Adjust it for 0.1 seconds. Then you are done. Okay, so just click on the check icon and this is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you.